Hey Divination, thank you for joining us in this video, and today we'll go over 3 beautiful Black Friday countdown landing pages that we've created for you guys. These are free and you can go ahead and download those. I've mentioned a link in the description below, and without any further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so let's take a look at the Black Friday countdown landing pages that we've created for you guys. So this is the first one. This is what you can expect on desktop, and I'm going to show you how it looks on smaller screen sizes as well. So this is the first one that you can download for free. Go ahead and check the link in the description below, and this will lead you to the download page where you can download it for free and use it without any restrictions. So let's take a look at the second landing page as well, which is the following one. So this is what you can expect from the second layout. And last but not least, let's take a look at the third and last one. So as you can notice, there are different styles for these layouts that you can use, and you can match it with your own website. So you can use all of Divi's built-in options to make it match with whatever product you're offering on Black Friday and make it look awesome using Divi. So let me just show you what these layouts look like on different screen sizes as well. And for that, I've opened another tab over here, which I'm going to resize to show you guys what it looks like. So this is the first landing page that we have over here, and let me just make it a little bit smaller so you can see what you can expect on smaller screen sizes. So this is the first layout and what it looks like on a mobile device, and on tablet we have the following results. So these look equally as good on smaller screen sizes as they do on desktop. And let's take a look at the second layout as well, which is the following layout. This is what you can expect on a tablet. And let's take a look at the results on phone. And last but not least, this is what you can expect from the third landing page on a mobile device. And let's just increase the width of the screen to see what it looks like on tablet as well. So go ahead and download all 3 layouts by going to the blog post, which I have mentioned in the description below. And once you go there and download it, you will find a zip folder within your download folder. And once you unzip it, you'll find these 2 items over here. So we have a JSON folder, and if you click on it, you will find all 3 layouts and an all layout, which you can use to upload all of the layouts to your Divi website. So just go to your WordPress website, go to Divi, Divi library, click on import and export, go to the import tab and select the all file, and then click on import Divi builder layouts. And what this will do is it will add all 3 layouts to your Divi builder, and then you can simply add those to your pages. So I'll just do that really quick. I'm going to add a new page over here. Give my page a title. Publish the page. Enable the Divi Builder and switch over to Visual Builder. And over here you have 3 options, so you can build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page, and we're going to choose one of the layouts that we've uploaded. So I'm going to click on this purple button over here, and then I'll go to my saved layouts. And then I can select one of the layouts for it to upload to my page and change the content. So I'll just upload the first one. As you can see, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change the content. So go ahead and play around with these 3 layouts and build stunning Black Friday countdown landing pages. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to all our social media channels so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.